friends, this is Max Programming, and today we're going to learn about the title and alt attributes. so uh, what do they help? You've seen in many websites that we have an image, and when we hover on that image we see a name or anything that specifies about the image, that tells us about the image. That work is done by the title attribute. And what is alt attribute actually? In alt attribute, what does it when sometimes we don't see the image because of technical problems and different names, okay, sometimes we don't see that, so the alt attribute gives a name to that. So we are going to learn about that only. First of all, I've just put the image and document in a same folder, and I've put this img tag. And so let's save it and let's see our image. Okay, we have this image here of jellyfish. Now we want to give a title to that, so simply we are going to use the title attribute, and here we can put any name, so I'm putting just jellyfish. Okay, and let's save it. And now when we see it in our browser, and now when we will hover to our image, we'll see the name jellyfish. It's because of the title attribute. And so that's the work of the title attribute. We can customize it more in the css and jQuery. And so now we are going to use the alt attribute. Okay, what alt attribute does is that I've said you that it gives a name to the image if this image is not seen. So we are going to put the name jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish. And now when we see it, we see nothing because the image is appearing, and so we see nothing. But if we do something that the image will not appear, for example I put 1 here, means the wrong name, or else when I change the extension, so now when I see this I cannot see the image, but here we have the text, so something is said about the image. And obviously that's the work of the alt attribute. Thanks for seeing this video. Share to others who want to learn HTML, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Finally, thanks for watching.